Okay, dito naman tayo. Bulls versus Boston Celtics. Chicago Bulls versus Boston Celtics. Game prediction. Ah, okay, standings. Bulls 12, 15, 12 wins, 15 losses. Boston 21 win, 5 losses. So, before I continue, pwede bang makahingi ng like or and comment for your thoughts? Okay, guys. Ayan. Spread natin, Bulls plus 14, Celtics minus 14, over and under 241. So, health and availabilities, injuries for Bulls, Josh Giddey, day-to-day. Zach Lavine, day-to-day. Jay Liddell, day-to-day. Dalen Terry, day-to-day. So, mukhang lahat sila makakalaro pa rin. Sam Hoster, questionable. Kristaps Porzingis Hill, questionable. Xavier Tillman Sr., questionable. So, ayan. So, I think they are all questionable and day-to-day, no one is out. So, I think walang nakakalamang dito sa health and availability and injuries. For me, parehas naman healthy yung mga team. Parehas sila well-rested. Kaya wala nakakalamang dito. So, tingin tayo sa ibang facts. So, some helpful facts. 8 Celtics victories in last 10 head-to-head battles. So, 8 times nanalo yung Boston galing sa last 10 head-to-head nila. Chicago Bulls have won back-to-back games. A 122-121 triumph recently occurred on the road at Scotiabank Arena when playing Toronto Raptors. Nikola Vucevic scored 24 points with Kobe White getting 19 and Talen Horton Tucker 15 points. Chicago Bulls last 10 games. 5 wins and 5 losses in the past 10 games. So, 5-5 Chicago Bulls. Not a bad pero not good din. Boston Celtics, 10 games. The Celtics have won 8 and lost 2 of their last 10 contests, averaging 118.7 points. So, ayan, yung kanilang facts na tingin ko makakatulong sa akin. Still, the Boston Celtics has the momentum. Still, Boston Celtics has the advantage on their last head-to-head. Pero, anong final pick ko? So, my final pick, before I go to this final pick, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trip lang yan, pero malay mo naman. Okay, so my final pick is Bulls plus 14. Why Bulls plus 14? For me, 14 plus 14 is so big for this NBA team, especially the Bulls. Napakalakas nila umiscore. Mabilis yung scoring, mabilis yung facing nila. Magaling din yung mga shooters nila. For me, malaking plus yung plus 14. I think the Bulls didikit sila dito. Saka NBA to, man. They're all pros. Napakahirap para sa dibdib ko magbigay ng plus 14. Kitang-kita naman na magaling din talaga yung Bulls. Tapos, kitang-kita natin na parehas naman healthy yung team, walang injured. So, for me, plus 14 is napakalaki for this lineup of the Bulls. So, under 241. Bakit? Kasi nafe-feel ko lang. Feel ko lang. So, wag niyo masyadong pansinin yung under. Pero, again, Bulls plus 14 tayo. Diyan, guys. Bulls plus 14. My pick is Bulls plus 14 and under 241. So, that's all. That's my prediction. Comment down below what are your thoughts and also your prediction for these games. That's all, guys. Thank you.